Yes, welcome back to our machine learning series. My name is Gilbert Aliho, President in the Box AI Club. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Anaconda, then the libraries that we shall be using: Scikit-learn, Pandas, Matplotlib. So if you're still worried, how could I be able to code offline, how will I be able to code instead of not using Google Colab? Because in our sessions I've been using Google Colab. So don't worry, this video will sort you out, and then you'll be able to go and code at home, download your dataset, go and code from home. So what you'll do, you'll open your Chrome, open my Chrome, and then in my Chrome I'll search for Anaconda download, and then choose on this anaconda.org, not this one. Click on anaconda.org, and then here click on download Anaconda, and then provide your email address, and then agree, and then submit. It will bring for you this page, and then here you choose the installation that you want depending on the system you are using. Maybe Linux, Mac, Windows. For me, I'm using this. Then I'll click on this, and then my download will start eventually. Me, I already have it, so I won't download it again. So after downloading, double click on your file that you've downloaded. Then you can see here that it's saying the please wait, the setup is still loading. Me, I already have it, but this is the whole process. You just continue this and then continue, and then since you already have it, they're telling me to choose another path, so I'll just cancel the process. But it's not complex, you just continue with that, and then they're saying reach this space. But if you feel like your C is already occupied, you can put this on your local disk D. You can choose to put it on your local disk D. You'll be seeing where to choose from. Like if here, if you want to put there, you'll see options in front. Okay, since you already have it, no need of downloading it again, so I'll cancel this process. Then here we'll search for Anaconda. After installing, search for Anaconda. Then mine is already here. Then we open it. As it is opening, wait for it to finish opening. By the way, machine learning is not all that complex, but it depends on the input that you put in. It's better to start earlier, because you cannot tell me you'll grasp machine learning in a few months. It's a long process, but if you start earlier, the earlier the better. Don't wait for tomorrow when they'll ask you for the skills and then you don't have them, and then you'll start looking for machine learning tutorials, start learning. It's better you start earlier. So as it is opening, so we can start learning things small, like slowly by slowly, and then things are not too complex. Just giving it at least few hours a day or in a week. So this is the Anaconda that I've been talking about. You can see how it looks like. It's very good. Like it has a lot of things. It has Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Notebook. It has a lot of things essentially. So yeah, I will be using this Jupyter Notebook, not Lab. So it depends on what you're going to use it for. But since we are going to be diving in machine learning, so I will need to launch this. For your information, Anaconda comes with the Jupyter Notebook, so when we click on this, we are not installing, but we are launching the notebook. So as we launch, you can be able to see on the right, it was trying to show that it is launching. Then in here we are there as it is loading. It is loading. Wait for it to finish loading. Yeah, it is coming. Then you can see it is bringing for all the folders that you have on your desktop. So here you can create your folders on this. So to be able to create your folders, you can use this option here. Create your new folder. Maybe let me create there for ML. Let me put the ML party Yeah. Okay, click on this tick and then look for your ML package here. Then in here we shall put our library. So to do that, to put the libraries, click again on this new, then use the terminal, and then it will open up for you the terminal. As it is opening the terminal, then we shall use this PowerShell to install our library. So you can say pip in small letters, sorry, pip scikit, then hyphen, then scikit-learn, then enter. We wait for it to satisfy that. Then it is telling us requirement already satisfied. So it will download. If you're installing it for the first time, you will see you download everything. So from here you can also install pip NumPy. We wait for it to finish, and then it is saying already satisfied. Okay, then pip Matplotlib. Okay, enter. Can see it is downloading stuff. Don't be scared. Okay, again pip Pandas, then enter. Okay, it is downloading. Okay, what else should we download? Okay, for the others, if you feel like you want to download any other thing, just the same matter of going to this terminal, opening your terminal, and then use your pip, then install. After that, we are done. Then we can come back on our home page. And if we try to refresh, maybe let us come back here now. ML party. Um, why is it not taking me back? Okay, let me try to run it to refresh this notebook. Okay, let me go back to my home. If I open my ML party, where is it? It is hiding where? Okay, it's here. Why it's showing me there is nothing? What? Okay, close. Oh, close this. Okay, I think the reason as to why it's not bringing mine it's because I already had them. So here you can create for yourself a notebook. Okay, you can create yourself a notebook. Then here, if you want to verify that you've installed them, you can say from my before. Or the other time, what they do is also verify from Pandas as PD. So if it does not bring any error, meaning you've installed these packages. Then if you want to try out your code, print. You're welcome to Python, so you can see where it displays your content. Yeah, that's all. That's how we install these packages, and that's how we can use Anaconda. Yes, can use this to run your code. By the way, if you want to save your file, like you've been working on your machine learning project and you want to save it, then you can use this. You can use this in here. Then you give it a name, maybe verifying dot this. Then it will save. Oh, So here there is no need of saving, but if you want to save, you can press Ctrl S, then you can be here showing you when that's saved. Yeah, that's all, members. That's how we can install Anaconda. Looking forward to seeing the next episode. Wait for the one more episode about regression this week loading. So thank you for listening and thank you for following up. Have a nice day.